If you're experiencing sync issues on Drata, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Update Drata app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Drata app. Check for updates in your app store and install any available updates. Running an outdated version can lead to compatibility issues. Step 3. Refresh sync settings. Navigate to the sync settings within the Drata app. Look for an option to refresh or re-establish the connection. This can often resolve temporary sync problems by reloading the data. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If the issue persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the Drata app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the sync issue. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Drata's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. They can offer more specific guidance tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync issues on Drata quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.